This is Mevesa Arnold Behayo, registration number 23 BSU BBA 4124. So we're told to create a company in the names of Mark Traders Company Limited, and this is the same as the Eagle name. The street address it is in Barara. PO box. The PO box is 23 4. The city is in Barara. The country we can use other. The email address is mark at africaonline.company.ug. Mark at africaonline.co.ug. Then we say next. The company is dealing in automotive sales and repair. It is a sole proprietorship. The fiscal year starts in January. Yes, we skip the part for the password. Then we create the company file. Then you save the computer is creating a company file. Say next. What do you sell? I sell both services and products. I say next. Yes, recommended. I approve all the recommended options. Do I want to keep track of inventory in QuickBooks? I say yes. Next. Yes, I have W2 employees. Next. Today's date, we can use 2023, 1st January 2023. Next, I got set up. I can skip this part, that is the interface that will display here. I can skip this part. Then even this, I close. I go to chart of accounts. This is where I will edit my currencies. I come here to edit. Then preferences under accounting, multiple currencies. We have, yes, I use more than one currency, yes. Then US dollar, I view more currencies. The Ghana shilling is there. I make it active, yes. And I say, okay. Okay. The company will close and open for my edits to be effected. So now, I come to the question. They're saying, I've finished part A of creating a company under the Mark Traders Company Limited name, whose reporting currency is UGX. I'm coming to part B. The company operates a bank account 9501 in Central Bank. So I come under home. I come to my chart of accounts. Then I say new account. It is under the bank. I say continue. Then the account name will be Centenary Bank. Centenary Bank. The account number it is 950011. Yes. It has no opening balance. I say save and close. Centenary Bank, the currency is UGX and with no opening balance. So Patsy are saying the company customers and their balances as at 1st January 2023 were as follows. We have the customer names and the balances. So I come here under customers, I go to customer center. Then I say new customer, brings me an interface for creating a new customer. And my first customer is Cam Traders with 3 million balance. Cam Traders with 3 million balance. 3 million. Balance as of January 1st, 2023. January 1st, 2023, I can copy this date. I say okay. I say yes. My next trader is Opita Dan with no opening balance. I say new customer under the names of Opita Dan. Opita Dan with no opening balance and the date that 1st January 2023. My next customer is Munene Auto Dealers, 1 million. Munene Auto Dealers, 1 million. Munene Auto Dealers with 1 million as opening balance as at 1st January. I say okay. My next customer is Class Motor Spares. Class Motor Spares with 800. It's a new customer. Class Motor Spares. Motor Spares with 800,000. 800,000 cash. And as of this date, it's okay. The part for the customers is done. I come to the D. The D, the customers, the company's suppliers and the branches as at 1st January 2023. We have our vendors. So I come here under vendors, the vendor center. And my first vendor will be Kabare Sisters with 1.7. Kabare Sisters, 1.7 as the opening balance. Kabare Sisters. Kabare Sisters with 1.7. As of this date, I say okay, say yes. New vendor. My next vendor is Masaka Traders 1.5. Masaka Traders with 1.5. 1.5 opening balance. Is okay? Yes. Then my next vendor is Madra Importers. Madra Importers. I say new vendor. Madra Importers. Madra Importers. He has zero opening balance as of this date. I say okay. The inventory items, we come to home. Inventory items here. Click there. Then, so we have inventory, motorcycles, generators, and oil plus servicing. So I come under here. I say that is under inventory part. I say motorcycles, enabling the unit. I say it is a single unit. I say next. Then I say other. I say next. Name. I can put unit. Then UTS. I can use UTS as the abbreviation. The cost, it is 4 million. 4 million. It falls under cost of goods. The sales price is 4.8. 4.8 falls under the sales account. The description, it is IV001. Then on hand, I have how many? 8 motorcycles. As of which date? 1st January 2023. I paste my date here and I say okay. I say yes. My next item will be generators. It falls under inventory part. Generators. Generators. The unit of measure, I had created one already. So this is IV002. It is sold. It costed 2.7 and sold 3.5. 2.7. Then 3.5 as the selling price. 3.5. It falls under the sales, and on hand I had 6 as of 1st January 2023. I say yes, yes, yes. Next item will be oil. It falls under inventory part. Oil. Unit of measure, I add new. Yes, I count. I say yes. I say other. I say each. No, that is not appropriate. Wait. Yes, volume is here. Say next. I say liter. I finish. The cost is 10,000. Description, it is IV003. Then the sales price is 16,000. On hand, I have how many liters? I have 10 liters. I have 10 liters. And as of which date? As of that date, 1st January, I say yes. I say okay. Uh, yes. I say, oh, the income account is sales. Then I say yes. I say yes. Next item will be services. A service, I mean, it falls under service. The service unit of measure, I add new, get other, I call it that service. Then the abbreviation can be SVC service. I say yes. The rate, it is at 30,000. Description, it is IV00. Oh, account, it falls under the sales. I say yes. Additional information, saying the following transactions took place in the month of January 2023. 2nd January, deposited 40 million. I come here under home, chart of accounts. I right click and make journal entries. I say do not display. On which date is that transaction? 2nd January. 2nd January, deposited 40 million to the bank account. And the bank account, this is 2nd January, first date, 2nd January. Now, the account that will be debited is Centenary Bank, 40 million. 40 million. I can add a new account to make it a bank. I continue. I can call it petty cash. Petty cash. I say save and close. I credit 40 million petty cash because it has lost to the bank. I say save and new. Yes. 3rd January, withdrew 10 million from the bank account for business use. That is a drawing. I come here, I create a new account. It's an expense. It falls under expense. I say yes. Drawings account. I say yes. I'm going to debit it with 10 million. 10 million. 10 million. Then I credit the bank account with 10 million. I say save and new. I say yes. On Jan 3rd, you obtain a bank loan. Obtain a bank loan of 100 million. On 3rd January, uh, 3rd January, so we have to create a new account. It is a loan. Continue. So this is a loan account. Say yes. Loan account is debited with 100 million. And this, it is a bank loan, so we shall credit Centenary Bank. I say yes. Yes. On 4th January, he sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators, and the cash was banked immediately. I come here to the QuickBooks, like under home. Now the question is, he sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators. We're selling, we first create an invoice. When you're going to sell to your customers, you create an invoice. This invoice has all the details pertaining the customer and the quantities, all the details pertaining the purchase. So I can set to come traders. I sold them motorcycles. How many? 5 motorcycles and 3 generators. So here I can put five motorcycles, then 3 generators. Generators, I can put 3 generators. On which date? We have to be mindful of the date, 4th January. 4th January, that is the date. That is 4th January. Say save and close. Say yes. After the invoice is created, we come back to home. The invoice after being created, I receive a payment. And remember, I sold to come traders. So under here, I come and say received from come traders. It brings the invoices and I click them. I make them active. This is not included. And I received what was the basis of the transaction? Cash. I say cash. And I say save and close, which is yes. So after receiving a payment, I come and record the deposit. Record the deposit. I say yes. I say okay. So then I say save and close. Yes. So the one has disappeared here, the deposit. Next question. So he bought 100 liters of engine oil. So I make a purchase order. A purchase order, I make it from Masaka Traders. Description, it is oil item, oil, 100 at that rate. The date of the transaction is 6th January. 6th January. I say save and close. Yes. I come, yes, and I receive inventory with bill. Receive inventory with bill. I got it from Masaka Traders. Yes. Okay. 100 liters of oil. I say save and close. The date, it counts 10 days, 10 days after the date of the getting the LPO. Then I pay bills, and I bought this using cash. So cover the traders, it is here. Masaka Traders is here. I pay selected bills. I say yes. I say done. Next question. On January 7th, he bought 7 motorcycles. I bought 8 motorcycles by check from Cover Sisters and made half payment. So I make an invoice. Cover Sisters. We bought 8 motorcycles by check from Cover Sisters. I make a purchase order. Sorry. Make a purchase order from Cover Sisters. What is the quantity? 8 motorcycles. I come here. Item motorcycles. Quantity 8. 8 motorcycles and made half payment. We made a half payment. Half payment. I edit here. I make it 16. I say okay. Save and close. Yes. After making a purchase order, I receive inventory with bill from Cover Sisters. Remember to Cover Sisters. I say yes. I tick. 16 million. Yes, I say save and close. So receiving, I go and pay the bills. I go and pay the bills. Our sisters 16 million. Say pay selected bills. Yes, done. Saying on 10th January, he sold 10 liters of engine oil and serviced 5 generators. He sold 10 liters of oil and serviced 5. I'll create an invoice because I'm selling. Can say to class, say generators, 5 generators. I sold serviced 5 generators and sold 10 liters. Oh, this is a service. Service 5, then sold generators. How many? 5. Then sold 10 liters of engine oil. 10 liters of engine oil. Sold 10 liters of engine oil. 10 liters of engine oil. Say save and close. So that is my invoice. I receive a payment. I receive a payment from class motor spares. On this date, yes. So I come home. I record the deposits. That is the yes. I make the payment. I say save and close. Yes. Next, he sold six motorcycles and 2 generators for cash to Mona Auto Dealers. Sold 6 of the motorcycles. Sold 6. I make invoice. Mona. I create a new. I say Mona. What is the name? Mona Auto Dealers. Auto Dealers. Say yes. What am I selling to him? Motorcycles. 6. And 2 generators for cash. 2 generators. 2 generators. 2. So this is Munna. On which date? It is on 11th January. 11th January 2023. I say save and close. I say yes. So I receive payments from Muna. I say Muna Auto Dealers. I say yes. I save and close. Muna Auto Dealers. Auto Dealers, yes. I say no. I receive the deposits. Now, I say I make it active. I say okay. I say save and close. Cleared Masaka Traders debt by cash. I came here to pay bills. Masaka Traders. I say I'm paying them by cash. I say yes. Then date by cash. On which date? 12th January. 12th January. 12th January. Say pay selected bills. I say yes. Cleared the following expenses by check. We have the following expenses by check. I come here under chart of accounts. So the first expense to be cleared is fuel. Fuel, it is an expense. I say fuel account. Fuel account. Save and new. Rent. Rent account. Save and new. Office cleaning. Office cleaning. Save and new. Electricity. Electricity. I say save and new. Advertising, audit, and electricity. So this is advertising, auditing, and electricity. Electricity. Electricity is save and new. Now we enter in the figures. I go back to home under my chart of accounts. I say make journal entries. So fuel 600,000. I say fuel it's fuel 600,000. 600,000. And I'm carrying his expenses by check. That means it is by bank. Let's have and new. Say yes. Rent 200,000. Rent account. Rent account 200,000. 200,000 by bank. Save and new. Yes. Then office cleaning 220. Office cleaning. Office cleaning 220,000. 220,000. Bank, something at the bank. I say save and new. Say yes. Next is electricity 480. Electricity is 480. 480 bank. It is that. Advertising 200. Advertising. Advertising, it is 200. Centenary Bank, save and new. Yes. Audit fees. Audit fees 200,000. Audit fees. Audit fees 200,000. Bank. Say save and close. Say yes. Electricity, second electricity 500. Electricity 500,000. Present neighbor has 7 close. Say yes. January 25th, he paid salary of the 300, then 200,000 paid to Amanda and Katat respectively. So I come here, I make a journal entry. You can call it a salary account. I create a new account. It is an expense. Say yes. Salary account. Salary account. Say yes. It's debited by 500 total. Then we have Amanda and Katate. So the first person we can create a new account. Expense Amanda and Katate. This is Amanda. Then that is 300,000. Then Katate 200,000. I say new expense. Say continue. Katate. Katate. Then so say save and close. Any other expense? We done for the bank for private use. So I can save and new. Say yes. Which date is that? Say on 21st January. 500,000 was withdrawn from the bank. So we have a drawings account. So this is 500,000 bank, and this is on 25th. 25th. I say save and new. Say yes. Bought a computer for office use at 2 million. That's an expense. Also, we bought it using which cash. So you say cash. Say 2 million. 2 million is here. Then you can have a computer account. That is an expense. Say computer account. Computer account. Save and close. Save and close. So the next part is requiring us to extract profit and loss report for the month of January 2023. We come here to report center. So we're going to extract reports. We come here to reports. We come to company and financial. First is the profit and loss standard. So we can make it from January 1st to that. Our last date of the transaction was 25th of January. Say yes. It's the three. That is my profit or loss. I extract in a new workbook. I say export. It is exporting. So I save this. I come to my desktop. I call it Mark Traders income statement. I save that one. Then I come back and extract. I extract reports, company and financial, balance sheet standard. I adjust the dates. 1st January 2023. 1st January 2023. As of 25th, sorry, our last date of the transaction was 25th. The balance sheet is brought. So I extract, I say export. I save my desktop. Save to my desktop. This is Mac Traders. Balance sheet. So that is the end of the question. I submit my presentation.